another diver hunt today. Late January, pretty cold, 15 degrees. Got 24 decoys, 2 spinners, 2 guns in the boat. Tag along, we'll see what we can get into. Big old duck right there. Got some off to the right coming in, potentially. Let's let them work, see what happens. Looking one. Got 2. They might come back around. You ready? All right, you take the left, I'll take the right. Go. Woo! That one might need another. Yeah. Don't fall over now. You ready? All right, you take the left, I'll take the right. Go. Woo! That one was out there. Woo. Hey, female.
Female, yeah. Yours?
I don't know. 1 male, 1 female.
Nice.
Out of 12 birds, that's the first female. They landed? Oh, duh. Come on, y'all. A lot. What? Go ahead. We got them all. We got 3 of them. Finish that one. Woo!
Take my rifle?
Huh?
You take my rifle for that one or no?
No. long walk out there this time. 3 more males. 2 more and we'll be there.
I'm glad I was paying attention, bud.
Yeah, me too. Holy cow.
3 right at the end, buddy.
I know.
Two
Just
on the way
makes you
home.
makes you kind of think. You just never know when
Yeah, never.
they could roll in.
You can't predict it, man.
Yeah.
I picked up. I was like, oh, dang. And only what, 3 of the 6 landed?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Decoys are putting in work today. Getting frozen. It's a cold day, but a good day. All right, this is the last duck hunt of the year. Got to go work for a couple weeks. Not going to be able to get back out before the season ends. But we had a bang up season this year. Appreciate y'all tagging along. Yeah, I'm tempted to stay out longer, honestly.
Yeah, I'll do it. I'm putting my thick gloves on.
It's cold. The little groups, they just keep, you know,
Peppering in. Yeah.
2, 3, 4, 5 popping around. Well, y'all, that wraps up this bluebill hunt. As always, thanks for tuning in, and we look forward to seeing you next time.